Welcome home. This 4-bedroom 3.5 bath ranch on a finished basement is waiting for you. As you enter, you are greeted by hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings, and abundant natural light. The floor plan has a great flow from the large living room to the formal dining room and the spacious eat-in kitchen. This kitchen has too many features to list: tons of counter space, double ovens, oversized pantry, and a large center island with gas range, to name just a few. The owner's suite is located on the main floor along with 3 additional bedrooms. The owner's suite connects to the rear deck, making it a perfect spot for a quiet cup of morning coffee. Downstairs are 2 additional rooms and a full bath that would be an ideal in-law suite. The outdoor living space is just as lovely and includes a large deck and patio area overlooking the private backyard. The home is conveniently located in East Athens near the vet school, shopping, and restaurants. With over 3,000 square feet of finished living space and a nearly 1-acre lot, you won't mind being quarantined here.